Hello Jammers, it's Fanny here. Welcome back to another Animal Jam video, and today there are the new Pet Canary. Be sure to subscribe and like, and let's get right into the video. Also, I meant to say canaries. So first, Pet Canaries. Pet Canaries have arrived to spread their songs and chirps across Jama. Adopt one of these friendly songbirds today. So by this I can tell that they're a friendly songbird. So Feast of Thanks. Join all jammers all over Jama and celebrate the things you are thankful for during the Feast of Thanks. During this fun celebration, jammers gather with their buddies and think about everything they are grateful for. It's a time to think about the good things in our lives and what we can do to help others this season. Reach out to someone who needs it. I'll be gifting some jammers in another video. So first, let's go and adopt these canaries. Oh wow, these look adorable. But what happened to its head? Why is some part of its head gone? Anyways, let's just try to decorate this canary. No, I don't think this looks like a crow. This looks like a crow. Yeah, this would be a great crow. I don't like this. I like this. Yeah. But I don't know if I want to adopt one though, because I just don't like spending my salaries too much. Oh, but this one is so adorable. Oh my god. This is so adorable, you don't even know how. If you want, go and adopt one that looks like this. This is so adorable. And this one is pumpkin. Wait, didn't turkeys arrive too? Yeah, turkeys. A pet turkey for Feast of Thanks. Anyway, this looks quite good. This looks great. Turkey for dinner. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this turkey. Just kidding, I'm gonna eat the turkey. So that will be about it for the canaries. Be sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!